Last 5 seconds. Ready? Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with impugned judgment and order dated 18th February 2021 passed by the High Court of Gujarat at Ahmedabad in latest patent appeal for short LPA number 2082 of 2011, by which the division bench of the High Court has allowed the said LPA and directed the state to consider the cases of the respondents for regularization sympathetically and if necessary by creating post. The state has preferred the present appeal. The facts leading to the present appeal in a nutshell are as under: that the respondents herein were appointed on contractual basis for a period of 11 months on a fixed salary and on a particular project, namely post-earthquake redevelopment program of the government of Gujarat, that the respondents herein were initially appointed for a period of 11 months in the year 2004 to the post of drivers. On closure of the project in which the respondents were appointed, instead of terminating the services of the respondents herein, the state government took a decision to place them in the services of Indian Red Cross Society. Instead of joining the duties in the Indian Red Cross Society, the respondents approached the High Court by filing writ petition number 17328 of 2011 for regularization of their services and absorption in government service. The original writ petitioners also challenged their placement with the Indian Red Cross Society. The learned single judge, White, order dated 25th/11/2011, dismissed the said writ petition by observing that the appointment of the original writ petitioners was only for 11 months on a fixed salary, which has been continued from time to time, and the unit in which they were appointed temporarily was a project implementation unit only for the purpose of rehabilitation pursuant to the earthquake for the post-earthquake redevelopment program, and they were not regularly appointed on any permanent sanctioned post in any establishment of the government where the writ petitioners have any lien. It is submitted that the division bench of the High Court has not properly appreciated the fact that the respondents were initially appointed for a fixed period of 11 months on the post of drivers and in the temporary project only for the purpose of rehabilitation pursuant to the earthquake, namely post-earthquake redevelopment program, and they were never appointed in any regular establishment and or in any sanctioned post in any regular establishment. It is submitted that therefore they have no right to claim absorption regularization from the impugned order passed by the division bench of the High Court. It appears that the High Court has observed herein above that in the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, it is directed that the order of absorption and regularization, and if necessary by creating supernumerary post, will not be treated as a precedent in other cases. Even such a direction could not have been passed by the division bench of the High Court, as there were no peculiar facts and circumstances which warranted the above observation. No such order of absorption and or regularization, even if required for creating supernumerary post and not to treat the same as precedent, could have been passed by the High Court in exercise of powers under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Stop.